Hi guys, welcome to this week's session of the Cultural Marketer. And this week we are actually going to answer some of the most common FAQs that we get for WeChat Pay for international users. Our video, WeChat Pay for international users is now available, has by far been the most popular video. And we get a ton of comments on that video, and we just want to make sure we address them in a separate video so we make an easy resource and reference for you. So, what is the first question that we always get asked? Well, the first question, of course, is why don't I have WeChat Pay in my WeChat? I have a personal WeChat account. Why isn't it showing up? So, the key thing you want to figure out is WeChat Pay actually available in your country? So, that's the most important thing. So, how do you check for this? You can actually go to the official WeChat Pay website and you can find this just by going to the URL that's on the page right now. So right here, you can go to this URL, or you can simply search for WeChat Pay in Google and it will show you how to go to this official page. Once you are on the official page, what you want to do is you want to go to partners. So top of the menu bar, you can find partners. So click on that and then you're going to see, well, which country is WeChat Pay actually in? So you can select your region and then you can look up the country that you're in to see if it is actually available. Do not use the search bar. We tried that and we typed in, for example, we typed in Spain and nothing came up. But Spain is actually one of the places where WeChat Pay is available. It's just that the search is more directly for the partner name. So the list of partners that you're seeing are WeChat Pay partners that offer WeChat Pay services. So go through the actual list in order to see if your country has WeChat Pay available. And then, of course, the other question is, well, once you establish, is WeChat Pay actually available in my country? The next question is, well, why can't I get it? Why don't I have it? Well, if you are a WeChat user with your own personal account and you don't see the WeChat Pay function, here's how, as a Canadian user, we were actually able to activate the account even though we didn't have a China bank account. So we got one of our friends who has WeChat Pay to send us a red pocket. So of course you're wondering, what red pocket are you talking about? So we're going to show you on the screen right here how you can actually do that, or how your friend could do this for you. So if your friend already has WeChat Pay and they have a bank account linked, so they have actual money / cash in their WeChat Pay, they can go into your chat. So they'll go into their one-on-one chat with you. They can tap on the bottom right button and they will see the option to send red pockets. So what you see on the next screen there is, well, okay, now you can fill in the RMB amount that they want to send, and then they can just send it to you. So once they send it to you, you are going to get a message that says, hey, someone sent you money, go and deposit it. So the way it worked for us was, once we received this red pocket, we went to deposit it, and then we saw that we had the WeChat wallet function activated. Albeit we cannot top up the account because we don't personally have our own China bank account, or we do not have a China bank account tied to our WeChat Pay. So that brings us to the next question that we get a lot. Well, I have WeChat Pay now. I was able to add my international credit card, whichever country you're located in, and now I cannot top up my account. Why can't I top up my WeChat wallet? Well, that relates to the response we just talked about. Even if you have a WeChat Pay account, right? You have a WeChat Pay account, the function is active for you now. If you do not have a China bank account, technically you cannot, and you have no need to really top up your WeChat Pay account. Why is that? Because if you have your credit card tied to your WeChat Pay account, the functionality for you is for you to walk into a store and actually pay for the item that you want to buy. So it isn't for you to top up and send money to other people. It's really for you to buy things online by scanning a QR code or going into a store to scan a QR code to buy something there with your credit card. So that's the functionality for international users, at least in our experience. And again, we are located in Canada. So keep in mind that the functions differ based on which country you are in. It's exactly like other platforms that roll out different functions in different regions. So the Canadian functions I am describing right now may pertain more to, say, the Canadian market or the wider North American market, but it may not be the same in the location where you are. So it's best to double check it. But of course, we're trying to share everything that we have tested and has worked for us. And the last question, of course, is why can't I send money? So this relates basically to why can't I top up my account? Because the people who ask the question, why can't I top up my account? Basically, they want to send money to their friends or family in China. Again, if you do not have your own China bank account tied to your WeChat Pay account, so let's make the clarification here. With a WeChat Pay account, you're able to add credit cards, which is a function available to international users. And for those who have a China-based bank account in China, they are able to tie their bank account to their WeChat Pay account. So if you do not have the second option, which is tying your China bank account to your WeChat Pay, then you are not able to actually send money. So you cannot send cash to a friend, but you can still pay for items using your WeChat Pay because you have your credit card. So I hope this clarifies a lot of the most common FAQs that we see with WeChat Pay. And of course, if you like this video, if it was helpful for you, make sure to give us a like and follow us for the latest updates. We seek to answer all the WeChat related and Chinese digital related questions that come up from both end users like yourselves and also our clients. So I look forward to seeing you again at the next segment of The Cultural Marketer.